A principal discovery that led to the development of the Qi guard for the car was that I had a hybrid vehicle which I was driving over many years. And as I drove, my right hip started to get sore. And over the years, this developed until there was a little chronic pain in my right hip. It didn't occur to me what was causing it up until somebody else drove on a long drive and I sat in the right front seat. Then my left hip started to get sore. That was quite a valuable puzzle to me. As I traced it down, I discovered that between the engine and the batteries in the back of the car, there were cables, electrical cables that conducted the current needed to drive the electrical motor between the batteries and the motor. And I thought at first maybe this was EMF, electromagnetic frequencies, that were causing pain in my body. But then I discovered it was DC, direct current flowing between the battery and the motor, not alternating current, so it wasn't creating electromagnetic frequencies. As I discovered further over the years, it was oxidative pollution, high energy, free radical energy from the combustion of gasoline in the car engine that traveled along the wires. And because those wires were close to my hip, free radical energy penetrated into my hip and gradually created an inflammation. So this was one of the keys that helped me to realize that oxidative pollution causes inflammation and that car engines are a key source of oxidative pollution.